In this video, I'm going to show you how you could get the Gary's prison run egg from the hatch in Roblox. So you have to join from the event game. So press this right here, and I press join the hatch, and then join. Okay, so once you do that, go to go to quest. Oh no, you have to go through the portal over here. Just go through the portal. From here, go to Barry's prison run. Press play. Okay, from here, just do the obby. I'll show you the exact location. Get the wrench. Run past this dude. And the egg should be right here, okay? If you don't see the egg here, keep progressing till you do see the egg. So keep playing the obby till you do see the egg. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Be sure to know that it's different for everyone. The egg spawn is different for everyone.